Okay guys, today's Walgreens haul is kind of messy, but before we even talk about it, we're going to talk about my favorite app ever, which is the Fetch Rewards app. It's that easy, guys, that you go to the App Store, download it, use my referral code. It's right there on the screen. Actually, check out the link in the notes and use my referral code. Photograph your first receipt, you're given $2. It could be anything, an Egg McMuffin that you bought today or some Dove that you bought last week. You'll be awarded $2. Gift cards start around the $5 mark, and if you're sitting on a bunch of receipts, photograph all of them tonight, and I'm very sure you will have a Starbucks gift card or a Dunkin' Donuts gift card by tomorrow. I bought some soap last week. I got 60 cents, which is almost like $5.99. That's basically 60 cents. It adds up quick, and they often have free items as well on their discoveries page. And with November and December, the holiday season, they often give a lot of freebies. So sign up today, even if you've been on the fence, you're just like, I don't want anything more on my phone. This is an app you're going to want to start using because in those 2 months, they have tons and tons of freebies. Check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code to get that extra $2 or 2,000 points. Guess who's feeling left out? We have little Daisy there. She's like, I'm special too, because I'm focusing more on Mama Kitty and her kittens. Well, she's from a farm about 2 houses down, and she has a barn to sleep in, guys. She's not some homeless cat or a stray. But she comes here a lot because we've been feeding them rotisserie chicken and, cat food and spoiling her. And she brings her babies. And we just begin kind of like feeding them really well. But she goes back to the barn at nighttime, so she's not like in the cold. But yeah, she's doing great. And she brings her kittens. And we looked it up on Google. And I think they do this when they really trust a homeowner. So we've just been kind of taking care of her and her 3 kittens. And yeah, she's just doing great. And the kittens are really growing up quickly as well. And as you can see, Mom's also feeding them too right now. So anyhow, she's doing great. So she's got her hands full there. Hey guys, running Kimono here. So this is my beauty haul for Walgreens, and I just did one quick haul. Walgreens is an absolute dumpster fire, malarkey, tomfoolery, quite the mess. The 7,000 booster is not working. I actually had to call customer service and they put 7,000 points on my store card. And with the change of their system and the app and all that other stuff, I really think they should have just canceled this October beauty event because it just seems like, you know who I feel the worst for? The customer service reps, because the lady who got me today on the phone had me on the phone for like less than a minute. She's like, name, phone number, what are you missing? And then she just put the points on my store card and I was on my merry little way. It wasn't like the Spanish Inquisition. And I feel bad for them because they're probably getting bombarded with calls because it is a friggin' mess. So unless you're in need of some things and you have to call customer service or a nice manager at your store can help you out, I would absolutely recommend, guys, to pass on this beauty event because it's just it's messy. I still managed to get this haul for like $2.88, which is still cool. So everything was like 28 cents each because I got 10 items, but quite the little messy mess. So we'll talk about the mechanics of this deal in a second. I did do the secret deal. Now I want you guys to know too that IBOTTA rebate for me was expiring in 22 hours. So if you want to get in on some of this fanciness, you might have to move a little faster on this deal. But it's great to get these for $1.55. We have some Meijer freebies right here we'll talk about. And I got some coupon mail and we're gonna have a little giveaway too. We'll have that at the very end. This is from my very good friend Sandra. She's out of California. If you wanna get in touch with her, all of her contact information is in the notes. So as I stated, I made a video earlier today saying that this was pretty messy and but I still wanted to try it out, why not? And the 2 boosters are in fact not stacking. And if you only have the digital, you probably will not get it, so you'll have to call customer service. So it is a mess with a capital M. And I really wish they would have just canceled it because I feel for their reps and customer service, they will be answering those phones like nonstop because, it's just, they're gonna be really overwhelmed today with the amount of people calling in. So I'm gonna just talk to you guys what I got. I got 6 of these finesses. I got 3 shampoos and 3 conditioners. They're $2.99. Buy 2, get 1 for free. That's the monthly promotion, which is really great. And IBOTTA is giving back 75 cents for both the shampoo and the conditioner. So I got back $4.50. I got back 75 cents for each. I also got the soft soap, and these guys are $4.99, and when you buy 2 of them, you get back 5,000 points, and we have a 75-cent coupon on that guy. And then I grabbed 2 of the Gold Bonds. These are 3-ounce bottles. It's the eczema relief ones that I got because the regular one was not working with Ibotta. It wouldn't attach. So I got these ones, and these were still part of Beauty Club because I scanned them with the app. There's $1 and $1.50 coupon that attached perfectly, but also in the app, just to let you guys know, this showed that it was working with part of Beauty Club. So these were a little bit more. It was $5.79 and $2.89. So looking at the math for this, the 6 finesses, again, they are on that promotion of buy 2, get 1 for free. It was $11.97 for these 6. For these 2 soft soaps, it was $9.98. And then for these 2, on a BOGO 50% off, $5.79 for the first, $2.89 for the second. So the basket price for all this good stuff, guys, was $30.63. I had $1.50 coupon for the Gold Bond that came off, plus $1.75 center for the soft soap. The new total was $27.38. I paid that cash out of pocket. And I got back 5,000 points for buying the 2 body washes. I got back 2,000 points for buying 2 Gold Bonds. And then I called customer service and they gave me my 7,000 points for the basket. And it's also my birthday month, so I got an extra 3,000 points because it's doubled or tripled for this month for me. So after everything was said and done, I also made a submission to Ibotta where I got 75 cents back for each finesse, and I have 6 here, and then $1.50 back for the 2 Gold Bonds. So that was $7.50 back just in Ibotta money. So after everything is said and done, from what I paid to what I got back in points and through the Ibotta app, it was like $2.88 for all of this. It's not the worst thing. The only reason why I did this transaction is because of the Ibotta money, and I'm trying to get a really big gift card, really large gift card to Bath & Body Works, so I'm trying to save for that. So I mean, it just is what it is. Not the most greatest haul. I love to get this sort of stuff for free, but hey, for $2.88, I'm not gonna lose a lot of sleep over this one. This morning's video, I was specifically talking about this. The Secret deodorants are $7.99. They're on sale this week. Deodorant is also not part of Beauty Club, just to note that. So for 3 of them, that's $23.97. There's a digital 5 off of 2 plus a $2.50 manufacturer. If you loaded them a couple weeks back, you're in business, but I'm not sure if you could still load those coupons. I also threw in 10,000 points. I paid $6.47 cash out of pocket. I got back 1,000 points for buying 2 of the Secret deodorants, and Ibotta is giving back $3.60 for each one. I did it 3 times, so I got back $10.80. So it shakes it out to $1.44 for each Secret deodorant. Unless you want to deal with customer service and the little brouhaha there, I would really pass this beauty event. I really think they shouldn't have had it. I feel for the customer service reps. They're going to be on the phone nonstop for the next 3 days with shoppers like me. And the lady today, usually they ask you a couple questions. She's like, name, phone number, okay, what are you missing? And she just threw it on my card. Like, it was the least inquisitive customer service experience I've ever had, which I love. But still, it's like a lot of messing around, and I know some of you hate being on the phone. So just to note that, guys, it's kind of a pain, this one, so it is what it is. Let's hop over now to Meijer. This is a great little deal for 3 free Baby Ruth candy bars. These guys are 2 for $1. The third one will ring up for 50 cents, so that's $1.50 for the 3. There's a $1.25 M perk off, so you'll pay 25 cents. And checkout 51, they have a rebate for a quarter back. I submitted for that, so it makes it free after the checkout 51 rebate. Neutrogena mask, and it has to be the one that's Hydro Boost. It's $2.56, I believe. There is a $3 M perk that's attaching to this that will reduce down to cost, making it for free. It's no big mystery that I am a Bath & Body Works freak. I love their stuff and I love their Christmas line the most. I love it, I love it, I love it. Any candle that smells like a Christmas tree, I mean, I'm so in love. I got this in the mail today, guys, that include a free gift, 20% off, and then a 10 off of 40 purchase. So this is kind of cool. I'm thinking the next mailer will work in concert with Candle Day, but it seems every other weekend they're having like a buy one get one free on their candles or something, like hand soap or something like that. So I just love getting this sort of stuff in the mail. So you want to be on the lookout for this, and if you've never received anything like that, make sure that online you sign up for their mailing list. You download the app if it's, you know, taking place in your town. It's only in like, I think 13 or 14 cities in the US. I wish it was throughout the entire US. And also with this, you can go into the store and ask to be put on a mailing list too. So you have a bunch of different ways to do it, but I'm very happy about getting this because I love shopping there. Okay, so my friend from California, Sandra, sent me some inserts. There's a mountain there. And if you want to be in the running to get some of these, I'm going to give some of these to one of you guys because that's just way too many inserts. And she included some from last week as well. So how to participate is you have to be a subscriber to both mine and Sandra's YouTube channel. All of that information will be in the notes. And in the comments, let me know where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. And I will pick the lucky winner on Sunday morning. And there's gonna just be one winner for this giveaway, so good luck, guys. So we're looking at one of these P&Gs for November. We have a Smart Source and the Retell Me Not. And then some of these are from last week, so I'm just not gonna go through them again. We're just gonna cruise through these really quickly, and all of Sandra's information is in the notes. If you wanna get in touch with her, you know, send her a quick message, because I know that sometimes you might not be sure what you're doing if you wanna get some coupons. So if you have any questions, send her a quick message and she'll help you out. And she's usually quite helpful. Sorry about that noise, guys. My husband's doing construction downstairs. As you guys know, we got flooded out, and we're just basically removing the old floor, and he's really enjoying the process of that. And I think we're just gonna let our basement sit empty for the entire winter, and then probably maybe next summer remodel or something like that. And any of you homeowners probably know precisely what I'm talking about. Dollar General. Oh, here's the real McCoy. So I will be including the winner of some of these Tide coupons, and they're good till the 21st of November. So there's that. And a big thank you to Sandra for being so generous to include extra coupons to give to my subbies, because she's exceptionally thoughtful, just a really nice lady. I might have to pick up some of these. Sounds like somebody's fighting in the basement. Sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, so that was the first one. The next one is a Smart Source. That's a great one. We haven't seen a lot of cleaning coupons in some time. for Rite Aid this week. Okay, let's go look at the Retail Me Not now, and then we're going to look at her price board really quickly. And don't forget to enter the little giveaway, guys. This is the thing working at Rite Aid, so you get a $10 gift card plus $10 of bonus cash. So I might grab some Imodium or some Benadryl or something. Okay, let's go look at Sandra's price board. Okay guys, so looking into some of the coupons that I just showed you, she has some of them with the Tide, so that would be the P&G plus the Retail Me Not and all that stuff in different increments. So this is her link tree. Hopping into next week for the November 1st inserts, she's going to have the Unilever, Retail Me Not, and 2 Smart Sources. 5 of each are 19, jumping up to 10 of each is 26 with the priority shipping included, and it looks like you're getting a lot of inserts with that one. Her email, her YouTube, her Gmail, all that great stuff is in the notes if you want to get in touch with her. And that's it. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.